Are you looking to run Kali Linux on your Windows machine without the hassle of setting up a full-blown virtual machine or dealing with the complexities of dual booting? Then you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to install Kali Linux using Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL, and even go a step further by setting up a full graphical interface using VNC. Now yes, WSL2 does technically run inside a lightweight virtual machine, but it's super efficient, tightly integrated with Windows, and honestly, a game changer for those who want the best of both worlds. So let's dive right in and get Kali Linux up and running the right way. Fast, clean, and efficient. First things first, we need to make sure virtualization features are enabled on your system. These are essential for WSL2 to function correctly. Start by restarting your computer and going into the BIOS or UEFI firmware settings. The key to enter BIOS varies by manufacturer. It could be F2, Dell, Escape, or something else. Look up your specific laptop or motherboard model online to find the right key and steps. Once you're in the BIOS, locate the option that says Intel VTX, AMD, or CPU virtualization, depending on your processor. Enable it, save changes, and exit. Now, once you're back in Windows, open the Start menu and search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. In the window that appears, look for Windows Subsystem for Linux, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Make sure all three are checked. Click OK and let Windows apply the changes. When prompted, restart your system. After the reboot, open Command Prompt or PowerShell. To see a list of available Linux distributions you can install, type the command WSL list online. From that list, locate the Kali Linux option. To install it, run the following command: WSL install Kali Linux. This will download and install Kali Linux. It may take a few minutes. Once the installation finishes, Kali will launch and ask you to create a new username and password. This is your Linux account, separate from your Windows login. Set it up, and you now have Kali Linux running inside WSL2. You can launch Kali anytime by opening a terminal and typing WSL Kali Linux. This drops you into a headless Linux terminal environment where you can start running tools and commands like any other Linux distro. But what if you want a full graphical desktop environment? No problem. You can do that using Win-KeX and a VNC session. First, launch your Kali instance again by running WSL Kali Linux. Once inside, update your packages with sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. This ensures your system is fully up to date. After that, install the graphical components with the following command: sudo apt install Kali Win-KeX. This may take some time as it installs the desktop environment and required libraries. Once it's done, you can launch the GUI with the command Win-KeX. The first time you run it, you'll be asked to set a VNC password. Once you've set the password, a new window will open showing the Kali Linux desktop. And that's it. You now have a fully working Kali Linux graphical environment inside Windows, powered by WSL2 and VNC. You can run all your favorite tools like Wireshark, Metasploit, and Burp Suite just like on a native Linux machine, but without leaving Windows. All the commands mentioned here are listed in the video description for your reference. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have questions or your own tips to share. Thanks for watching and happy hacking!